Well, welcome back. It's time to close out the week with our own Shannon Becker and his Big 3 stories.
Yeah, what's live and breaking this week?
Yes.
All right.
We got started early.
Yes, let's take a look at number 3 this week. Joplin News First. It's an exclusive story. We brought it to you first. Shooting south of George Washington Carver in Newton County. It happened over the weekend. One man is still recovering in a Springfield hospital. Somehow an altercation had occurred with other subjects in another vehicle along Carver Road. And it ended up just south of Elder, where a man suffered 2 or more gunshots wounds. In fact, one to his face. How insane, right? Vehicle kind of crashed off the roadway there near a creek, the Bainham Branch Creek. They have now 1 person in custody. They're still seeking 2 people related to the crime.
Were there multiple vehicles involved?
Just from what I understand, just another vehicle besides this one. That's the victim's car we just saw right there. The people on the right-hand side of your screen, they're seeking, and the gentleman on the left is arrested and charged with those crimes. Our number 2 story, Joplin News First. I cannot believe the person driving this vehicle survived. He'll survive to go to court. A felony DWI and a felony driving while revoked charge for a Carthage man, 40 years old. That right there, that used to be a Dodge Journey, if you can believe it. A single vehicle crash in Fidelity as the vehicle went off the outer road, crashing down onto the interstate, which is actually a big hill there. It crashed through some cedar trees before it landed down there on the shoulder of the interstate, right there at 44 and 49.
No other vehicles involved?
No other vehicles and only him. Yes, serious injuries according to Missouri State Highway Patrol.
Very lucky man, yeah.
You can see here, that's the hill that it came down off of, obviously very fast as well. Our number 1 story. Somber week for many of us, of course, those of us who know people at the Joplin Police Department. Flags are flown half-staff until March 15th, according to Mayor Doug Lawson of the city of Joplin. On Wednesday, they had a service honoring Corporal Ben Cooper. It was standing room only, and we expect also the same coming up tomorrow, Saturday at 10 a.m. There'll be a service remembering Officer Jake Reed at the Joplin Public Safety Training Center. Officer Reed, Jake donated his organs to numerous people. They'll be sharing those stories tomorrow. I know it's open to the public. Everyone welcome to attend at the Joplin Public Safety Training Center on the south side of the airport in Joplin.
Very nice service.
Yeah. And then our bonus story, let's get a little bit more lighthearted. One of my favorite places to visit, and it's a little series I do. It's like a place you should visit. Well, there it is.
And eventually it'll be warm enough to do stuff like this.
Yeah, well, it was great last weekend. That is the Tanyard Creek Nature Trail. It's in Bella Vista, just about 40 minutes south of town. It's the spillway off of Lake Windsor, and it is amazing. It's fun. The kids love it. It's less than a half mile, but you got to do a little bit of walking. It's not wheelchair friendly for sure, but you don't want to be wearing no dress shoes either. You know, you got to be serious about it.
What's the easiest way to get there?
Oh, you just go. It's 49, and then at 49 it turns into the old 71. You know, I think that's what they call it, or Business 49. Not sure. That's Lake Windsor there. It's the main exit in Bella Vista, Lancaster Boulevard, which is right there with the City Hall. Okay. You can almost see it from the highway, and it is amazing. You have to check it out. It's free, and it's the city of Bella Vista. That's our bonus story of the week.
All right. Well, you're our bonus of the week.
Oh, you're too nice.
Have you every Friday.
You're too nice. Yeah. You have a good weekend.
You too.
All right.
All right. Might have to check that out. It's a little cold, though.
No, it's worth it.
All right. Thank you so much, and we will be right back.